Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here, and let's do a new knot. I'm going to name this knot at the end. So I'm going to do something different. You're going to see that as you click on this, you're going to already know what the name is, but I don't know it until the end. So let's see what we come up with. We're going to name this at the end. So this is my left side. The tie is at the belt line, and I'm just going to come over, fold it in half. I'm using a knit tie. That doesn't really matter what tie you use, but that's what I'm using. So I'm going to bring this over to the center. Bring this over like this. I'm going to do a cylinder move. And then I'm going to do a wreath. Around like so. Then I'm right here, then I'm going to go up. Now my knit tie might not show that wreath as well, but it might. So I'm going to fold it in half like this. Come around like so. And then I'm going to do a wreath right here. I don't want to mess with the integrity of that right there, so we're not going to. We're going to put our collar down. All right. Let's see what we got. What? Okay, I like... The only name that comes to my mind the Exquisite Wring. There's your ring right there. Let's just go with it. The Exquisite Wring knot.